Hello and welcome to Dark Age Growing. Today, I'm dodging rain. Seems like I'm doing that a lot lately. But, I want to take you down to a small patch of lettuce that I'm removing. Why it's gotta go. And, hopefully, help you know not to make the same mistake I did. So I have a problem. I planted things too close together. My nasturtiums decided to go rogue giant on me. Because this is all one nasturtium vine right here crossing my path. I need to collect my kale and dry a bunch of it out, make myself some kale powder. But my biggest problem is down here. I had a lettuce patch. And it got wrecked by slugs. It's just time to pull these lettuce out. Here we go. That's the size slug that I've been having problems with. The little babies. There's enough of them in here, though. They do a number. Earlier in the year, I should have put out some slug bait or slug traps. But I've had several good meals off this lettuce. And they're just overwhelmed. This was a Nevada crisp lettuce. Yeah, some of this is rotten on the plant. That's a sure sign of bad airflow, combined with the slugs and a lot of rain this year. So, my chickens will be happy to get all this. They love slugs, they love the lettuce, and they love the kale. Opening that up gives it a little extra airflow through the middle area here between the nasturtium craziness and the kale. Right now, I've got nasturtiums that are taller than my tomatoes. Is that normal? It's been a while since I've grown nasturtiums. Well, I wasn't able to dodge the rain. So, give this video a big thumbs up. And let me know what else you'd like to learn to grow more food during these challenging times.